Okay, Katie, they are ready. They're crispy. Chicky poppers, chicken skin wrapped jalapenos with buffalo chicken dip in the middle. And they're seasoned with Mad Matty seasoning. And we're gonna dip them in Mighty Mitch's wing sauce. I mean, it doesn't get more epic than this.
It really doesn't.
For like a tailgate appetizer, right?
I've
on the
never seen
grill.
anything like it.
I know, it's unique.
This plate is for me.
It's unique, it's fun. I get one. Just give me one.
All right, fine.
Okay.
Ready?
You wanna try them? So like, look, I mean, they all look good, but I'm gonna go for a super crispy one.
I want this one.
All right,
I
fine.
feel like you were looking at that one.
I was. I'll take this one.
Okay. I have a napkin just in case.
Okay, so we're gonna dip.
Okay, that's too much.
Now, if I had a little like a blue cheese or something,
That sounds good
or
too.
some people do ranch
Yeah.
to cool it down, but screw it.
All right, screw it.
Here we go. Cheers to the Chicky poppers. Oh my God, that is so good.
That's unbelievable. That's a million times better than a jalapeno popper.
I know, right? The chicken skin, it's like eating a wing.
It is.
And then you're getting chicken on the inside and cream cheese.
Sorry. It's a
They're a
little,
little spicy.
little
That's
spice.
That's all right.
But that's what I wanted.
And you get the creaminess of the cream cheese, kind of cools it down a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
And oh my God, I can't say enough good things about this.
It's great.
You got to try this at home. Go to thebbqguru.com. Check out our recipes, tips, and tricks. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for cooking.
Thanks for watching.
We got the camera now. Thanks so much.
We did it!
Good job.
Woo!
That was